everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to draw an hyper-realistic eye. So, firstly, sketch the exact outlines of the eye. Then, start shading the pupil inside the eye with any HB pencil and then blend it with an cotton buds. Now, take an HB pencil and then start repeating the same process you did for an HB pencil. Cover it fully and then blend it with an cotton buds. Now, for the iris, start shading first with an HB pencil. After shading, blend the outer part within cotton buds. Now, for the inner part, do it with a cotton cloth and blend it smoothly. Now, take a darkened pencil and start doing the highlights. Blend the highlights within cotton buds. Now, with the help of an eraser, start doing the highlights. If you have Tombow Mono eraser, you can even use that. After doing the highlights, blend it with the cotton buds. Now, darken the highlights with an HB pencil and blend it with cotton buds. After that, start shading the outer part of an iris with an HB pencil. Then, for the inner part, start shading with an HB pencil and start drawing the eyelashes. Then shade the upper part and blend it with a cotton cloth smoothly. After that, start highlighting with an eraser and start drawing the eyelashes in the upper direction. Move in the upper direction only. Now, start shading the eyelid with an HB pencil. Now, repeat the same process you did for the upper part. Start shading and blending, and then start drawing the eyelashes. After all the highlights, start shading the remaining outer part and blend it smoothly. Now do the border, which will make your eye look more hyper-realistic.
You